morning. I'm here to show you the Aesop's Fables kit being assembled. So I've got together the Appleton's wools here and the Renaissance wools, these very beautiful fine wools, the needle kits and the De Vere silks. We're making a mock-up so that we know exactly how we're going to be packing these next week, and you get a poster inside each kit and of course the stitch charts, and because it's such a big design that's actually 4 A3 size stitch charts, so it's quite a big piece. And the book is with the publishers now, and it's going to be spiral bound like this and have the mirror frame on the front and the animals in a compilation on the back. So that is actually not the real book yet because it hasn't come back, but it's very exciting to be able to wait for it. We've chosen the box colour, so it's going to be that fantastic peacock blue, and then you're going to get a really large box full of the contents and everything you need. So at the moment today, the final thing to choose is the tissue paper. So you wouldn't think this was such a huge decision, but in this time, you know, in 2020, I just want something really happy when you open the piece. So I've got some different colours. Now, just remember it's got to be with the peacock blue. So I really like that blue. I think that could be very good. So that when you open it, that would wrap things up. So that goes very well, I think, with the blue, and goes very well with the peacock. My friend Meredith loves pink, so this is in her deference to her in America. She always says that pink is a great colour for feeling happy, and there are reds in the piece, and there's a very subtle pinky purpley colour, but there's not really a strong pink, and I don't really like that with that colour. So I'm sorry, Meredith, we're not going to have that one. And then, of course, there is a very vivid green, which is this one in the green woodpecker, and that's not quite the right green, but it does go rather well as a sort of happy colour, do we think, with that one? No, I don't think so either. So now I have had heated discussions about this colour. I love this colour, I wear it a lot, and that still doesn't go, does it? No, I'm still with the blue, aren't you? I'm beginning to think this is going to be the blue. I just find it calming. I was talking about blue earlier on today, about the Jacobin Idyll, and I'm getting quite moved now. This colour is the colour I crave when I'm tired and stressed. And I don't want you to be tired and stressed when you make this kit, so I'm going to go and tell Laura this is going to be the colour. Okay, thank you.